Hello, my name is Sadar. I'm going to make a healthy sandwich with curd. My brother also wants to help me.
Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to help my brother this time. So Addu, what are you making?
I'm making a curd sandwich.
Okay now. Addu, why are you playing with the toy? Tell the ingredients, man.
So the ingredients are carrots and cucumber and cabbage and sauce and butter, few bread slices and curd and salt and pepper. So the first step is we should grate these three vegetables. Anna, can you please help me in the grating?
See, I did it.
Thank you, Anna. First I need a big bowl.
Okay, take it.
Anna, can you please give me the grated vegetables?
Yes, there you go. First, do it with cabbage, okay?
It's
curd. Take it, Addu.
okay. Now it's time for the salt and pepper.
Take it, Addu.
Thank you, Anna. Now it's time for mixing.
No, Addu, you don't get it right. I will do it.
No, I will only do it.
No, Addu, you don't get it.
Our mixture is ready. Keep it aside and take our few bread slices. Take 2 bread slices, place it on a plate and take some butter and apply it on the first bread. Apply some sauce to the second bread slice.
What is it, Addu? Why are you doing like that? We are going to add this mixture to it. Give the slices, Addu. And you should only add to the bread with the sauce on it.
And the sandwich is ready.
Yes. There you go. A yummy and healthy sandwich.
Wow, I made my own sandwich. My mother should feel happy. Thank you for watching this video. I'll eat with more sauce. I'm gonna taste it once.
Okay. Thank you. Very nice, right?
Yes. Thank you
Thank
for
you for watching
watching.
this video.
Bye.
Bye.